Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. I desire to inspire you to make beautiful designs one space at a time. Okay, guys, today we're going to do something a little different. I've gotten a lot of requests about the family room in my home. It is the smallest space in our home that we converted into a family room. Initially designed as a bedroom, it just was not big enough to store pretty much anything. So we decided to just turn it into a small, quaint family room for us to enjoy TV time together. So here's one angle, and then here is the other. Now, I will tell you that this was very much a challenging space to design. One being that the room itself would fit an adequate sofa, but the challenge was finding a sofa to fit the angles and maneuvering into the room. So even after measuring the room to find a sofa to fit it, I had to go through not one, not two, but three different designs to get a sofa to fit into this space. So we finally decided on this configuration, sofa love in a dresser turned console table. You always need an inspiration piece for any space, and this, you guys, was the piece for me. The picture is not doing it justice, but you will see it soon to come. Final result, this was this space we initially designed, was in the cerulean and charcoal colors. I thought it was very masculine and it fit the theme. It is a family room, but it's predominantly my hubby's space. I kind of wanted to make him feel comfortable in the space as well. So this was the initial design of it. Here I later added a few pieces to change it out. Changed the cerulean curtains to the platinum, added some more pillows just to zhuzh up the space a little bit. Now, what I did come to appreciate about this set, you guys, now this was actually during the Christmas season, as you can see the tree there, was that it is a neutral sofa. And I will give you that tidbit, no matter how large or how small your space is, always go with neutral big pieces like your sofas, your furniture pieces, TV stations, different things like that. You want to keep those neutral so it gives you the versatility to change out color schemes from season to season, or just when you tire a particular color. So here I love the cerulean colors, you guys. As you can tell, it just blends perfectly with this charcoal gray sofa. The sofa set is from Ashley's Furniture, so I will tell you that. And if I can link it, I will. Very, very versatile, very comfortable, and it was very affordable. So this sofa has served us very, very well, and I was pleased with the result of it. Here again, just really, really nice pillows. Change the total look and vibe of the space. Just giving an up close angle of each pillow. The one in the middle, you guys, this is Z Gallery. The two beside it is Z Gallery Dukes that I picked up from Burlington, as well as the cerulean ones. Absolutely love what it did for the space. I added those beautiful faux fur throws, just brought in a certain level of masculine comfort into the room. And so here, after the Christmas season, I even carried this color scheme over into my winter refresh. And so here you see, I just simply moved the trunk over to this angle so that I could fit the tree in there during the Christmas season. But again, it was versatile, and I'll show you how even you can take the trunk and give it a makeover. You'll see that soon to come. But here I just layered on a couple of pillows just to add that warm and cozy feel. That's another tip, you guys. If you want to bring in a warm and cozy vibe to any space, add texture. Here I have the beaded pillow coupled with the velvet pillow, the faux fur, the metallic of the Z Gallery pillow. All of these elements just come together to bring a really, really cozy vibe and feel to the space. Now here, this angle shows how I have switched the pillows around to give me yet another feel. Keeping with the same color scheme, just switching decor around to give it a different look. Christmas is over, so now I have placed the storage trunk back over by the bar area, and voila, I have everything just styled to perfection with this color scheme. Here is another view showing you the other side of the space, you guys. I absolutely love this room. Although it's the smallest space in our home, it gets the most love. And even our TV got an upgrade. My honey wanted a new TV, and so we hit up a Black Friday sale, you guys, and got a total score. Again, the texture added to the love seat just adds that element of warmth and coziness. When you're watching a movie, you can just enjoy. But for the spring, I wanted to change it up. And so here, you guys, I added this nice, refreshing aqua to the room. I absolutely love it. You guys, it screams spring. As you can see, all of my basic elements are the same. My sofa, my love seat, window treatments are even the same. I simply swapped out the pillows to give it a totally different look. And you too can create this same look and feel just by switching out decor. I changed the candles, added a beautiful blue plate, and you'll see later I'll add even more elements clip by clip. So just kind of be on the lookout for the subtle changes that I make here and there for the spring season. But I absolutely love what this space looks like. I love the feel of it. And here, you guys, perfect angle of this beautiful abstract art. You see the glittered effect in it, all the variations of the blues, a little bit of chocolate to keep that masculine and ground the picture. But from this picture, you guys, I can pull any of those colors into the room and it totally complements the space. That's what you want to do when designing a room. Use an inspiration piece, pull colors from that piece to keep everything cohesive season after season. I am so loving what the aqua is doing in this space. Don't know why I didn't try this before. So excited about the color, I decided to switch it up a bit. So you'll see here, same color scheme, just playing around with the positioning of pillows and different things like that. Bringing in the faux silk pillows, keeping those nice great pillows there, the Z Gallerie Dukes, and I love my Z Gallerie Oslo throw. You guys, it just brought in the perfect touch and feel that I wanted for this space. And if the TV stand looks familiar, you guys, it is the matching piece to our end tables in our bedroom. Again, this beautiful angle of this picture. This picture is from Burlington. What I love most about this picture is the price, you guys. It was less than 40 bucks and it brings so much versatility and movement to the space. I can pull any color and it totally complements this room. And when I speak of neutrals, you guys, I mean any plain sofa that can easily, or sofa or color, shall I say, that can be easily changed from one color to the next, or it complements many colors. Grays, beiges, ivories, whites, even a leopard or a pinstripe can be considered a neutral because it can transition from color to color well. And I absolutely love this charcoal gray. Gray right now is the most trending color in design because it is so versatile, as you can see here. So if you're in the market for new furniture, think neutral and not so much patterns. Bring the patterns in with your colors in terms of your curtains, your pillows, your throws, your accents. But let your grounding pieces, your expensive pieces, be nice and neutral so that you can change things out easily. Hopefully these tips are helping and you're finding this useful and inspiring. Here, you guys, this is the same cerulean trunk. I simply covered it with one of the faux fur throws, added on the pillows for texture and dimension, and voila, cozy little setup. And underneath the throw are the extra covers for us to cozy up with for a movie. So this space is beautiful and functional. The wall sconces, you guys, are a quick DIY. They were initially in a brown metal finish and I just gave them a nice nickel spray paint and voila, they fit the scheme. And here I've added a little bit of floor picks just to bring in a more spring vibe to this area. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, adding more texture, more dimension with the faux fur, the crinkle pillow, and the Oslo throw. I simply move my gather sign from above the TV to over to this wall, and I will be adding a photo gallery here. Over in the bar area, I add a splash of spring by swapping out the pomegranate floors for these nice coral and peach colors, and voila, the bar area has gotten a splash of spring. Now, if this is your first time visiting, you guys, I want to invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. This is just one part of my Spring It On spring series where I will share with you many spring design inspiration. This is a family room. Come back on Friday. I will share with you my master bedroom spring refresh, and you don't want to miss it. To my tried and true, I want you all to know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. And if you haven't already connected with me on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. Give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Let me know what's your favorite element of this space and if these tips were helpful and useful to you. So now, until the next video, have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.